Hi, welcome back to Palmer's on Holiday. I'm Chantal. I cruise from Australia and New Zealand. On my last cruise, I took 5 popular cruise items with me. Which items would I take with me again, and which ones would I leave behind? You want to stay tuned right to the very end because I've got the most asked cruise item question on the forums. Would I take it? Which one is it? Stay tuned. Okay, so first up we have the Strongman magnetic hooks. Oh, that way around. They are quite small. You get 6 of these in a pack. They are small enough to pack in your bag lightly and easily, but they held up a piece of clothing to dry in the bathroom, a lanyard, a small bag, lots of little bits and pieces in the cabin. So when you're looking for a bit of extra space, these were fantastic. What were the downsides? Well, unfortunately, they're not strong enough to hold up my makeup bag and my toilet bag. I've got a bit of stuff packed into those, and you might want to look into bigger hooks if you've got a bit of stuff like me that you take away with you. Price point for Amazon, they were about $18 New Zealand. And would I buy these again? Or would I take these again? Yes, most definitely. Okay, so the second item I'm reviewing is the waterproof phone case. I did test it before I put my phone in just to make sure it was waterproof, and yes it was, so that was good news. It also keeps out sand at the beach, so there's another tip for you if you do want to take your phone to the beach but not take it in the water. It was also great for that. Another thing I found it was really great for is if you wanted to take a credit card, your cruise card, some photo ID, even your some money. You could pop that in here, wear it around your neck, comes with a strap, pop it under your clothes, and it's a quick money belt for you as well. The only downside with this, I don't know about the durability long term, but at the price point of under $2 from Shein, it's not the end of the world. Would I take this again? Absolutely. It was so thin and light to pack, took up no space, and it was definitely worthwhile having. Okay, our third item to review today is the Anko hanging organizer. It's a bit like a toiletry bag. I use mine as a toiletry bag. The good things with it was that it was very deep. You could fit in almost straight up a bottle of Bondi Sands standing up. It took a lot of items. You've got a lot of pockets in here, pockets up here, and even inside, tucked in here, you've got a pocket too. You can see what's inside quite easily. So there was lots of space in this, but there was one big problem that I had with it, and it's such a shame because it's such a great product, but day 2 the handle fell off and we got a hole right the way through. So maybe I just got a bad one, but it fell apart in multiple places, which is a real shame. So I wouldn't be taking this with me again. This is a Kmart product. It's $12 if you do want to give it a try yourself. And yeah, sadly, I'll be on the hunt for a new toiletry bag. Okay, next up we have luggage tags. These are great. The plastic is really durable. They're thin as to pack, doesn't take up any space. Comes with a metal tag, metal loop to loop onto your luggage, which is quite strong and durable as well. The great thing with this is that no mucking about with labels and luggage tags at the check-in. The paper ones get ripped and lost sometimes, so this isn't going to happen with these. The only downside that I found was that this particular one is sized for Royal Caribbean, and you may find that you need a different one for each different cruise line. But at $1 to $2 each from AliExpress, they're inexpensive. You may be able to get them from Amazon. I know in Amazon in the States, they do sell those there. Amazon in Australia and New Zealand, they weren't in stock when I was looking. Perhaps they're back in now, but I bought these ones from AliExpress. Okay, so here we are at the end, and what is the most asked about cruise item that you need to pack? And if you've got anything like phone chargers or hair straighteners or anything that you want to plug in into your cabin, and you're from Australia or New Zealand and you're traveling on a ship that is not from this part of the world, you're going to need an adapter. And the one that I found best is the Anko one from Kmart. $6 is a price point, so cheap as. You've got your Australian New Zealand side on plug side on this side, and on this end you've got the Euro. You can see it's got the 2 prongs on that side. The reason why you want this one is it operates on the same, or as close to the same voltage as what we do down in this part of the world at 220 to 240 volts. Whereas if you get one that converts to one of the US plugs, you're going to be operating at a lower voltage, and it may take a lot longer to charge your item. So this one doesn't have the surge protector, which is also something to watch out for when you are picking up an item like this, because cruise ships will confiscate anything with surge protection in it. So brilliant for that, doesn't include that. And $6 at Kmart, well, you can't go wrong. Definitely need to travel with this again. Thanks for sticking right through to the end. I hope you got something useful out of this. I will be popping out some more of these videos shortly with more items that I took on my cruise, and would I take them again or would I leave them behind. Please click the like and subscribe button. It means a lot to my channel to help kickstart it growing. And come back and visit me for some more cruising tips and tricks. No, I can't say that. Dawn says that. So let's come up with our own catch line, shall we? Let's go cruising.